The owner was the Ohio Department of Transportation. It's provided a full-service maintenance facility to maintain the roads and highways for Washington County. This was a difficult site. There was an existing outdated facility there. It had to be demolished and new facilities constructed. There were many issues during construction: bad soil, unforeseen conditions such as underground storage tanks that had to be removed. Being an existing site, there was a lot of contaminated soil from the salt. Cherry River Construction was a part of they did the site prep. Lang Masonry performed masonry work. Foster Supply provided materials for the project, and Jackson Kelly. This is a much needed facility. I do feel at the end of the day it is a great project. It's a very beautiful complex. It will service the people of Washington County for years to come, make the highways safe and clean.
Your Eagle Award winner for the category Other Construction, $10 to $25 million, is Wolf Creek Contracting Company for the Washington Full Service ODOT Facility Project.